To enable cryptocurrency trading on Robinhood, you must first verify your eligibility. This involves ensuring you reside in one of the eligible regions, which include U.S. states, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and the District of Columbia, and having an active Robinhood brokerage account in good standing. Existing users typically have cryptocurrency trading accessible by default, and can find cryptocurrency listings alongside stocks and other assets within the app. New users, on the other hand, must provide personal information to verify their identity, including a social security number and valid U.S. address. When signing up for a Robinhood account, once the account is approved, access to crypto trading is granted. If you wish to send and receive cryptocurrency to or from an external wallet, you need to enable crypto transfers, which requires completing the identity verification process within the app and waiting for a review period of up to 5 business days. After verification, you can open the Robinhood app, navigate to the crypto section, search for a specific cryptocurrency, and buy it by clicking on the buy button, entering the amount you want to invest, and submitting. This process allows you to purchase and enable cryptocurrency on your Robinhood account.